Introduce highlight features or overview summary for KOLHGNSE natural gas stove. That's include efficient work. Each burner has a combustion power of up to 2.5 kW, which allows you to finish the cooking work efficiently and greatly reduces the cooking time. It is designed with multiple heat dissipation holes to prevent the stove from getting too hot and affecting the safety of use. Independent control. Equipped with 5 control knobs, each burner is equipped with a precise fire adjustment knob. You can adjust the fire size as you like to meet various cooking needs. Also, you can adjust the fire size as you like to meet various cooking needs. Easy installation. Thanks to its simple construction and complete accessories, you can quickly put it together and start cooking. Please note that this product does not have a threaded air connection, so please use an unthreaded hose, not included, and attach it directly with a hose clamp. Placement boards. It is designed with 2 placement boards for you to conveniently place ingredients, vegetables, condiments, dishes, and more that you need when cooking, all not included. Thoughtful cover. It comes with a cover that can effectively block wind and dust, providing a cleaner and safer environment for use. This sophisticated natural gas stove features an ingenious 5-burner configuration that is carefully customized for modern cooking spaces. Equipped with control knobs that allow gourmets to effortlessly and precisely regulate heat, it harmoniously combines efficiency, versatility, and visual appeal, transforming the art of cooking into a pleasurable and immersive experience. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.